Welcome back everyone to Photography by Harrison. And for the next 2 minutes, while I think about walking around Lake Lucas, I want you to totally relax and just listen to the sound of the rain. With that being said, I'll see you in 2 minutes on the other side, relaxed. Well, I hope you are as relaxed as I am. And the reason I'm relaxed for 2 reasons. One, rain has a common effect on you. And 2, I decided not to walk around Lake Lucas today. So in the comments below, tell me, what did you think about the rain? Did it help you relax? And also, I like to tell people all the time, when it comes to photography, no one knows it all. And of course, the more you learn about photography, the more you learn you didn't know. And as always, I want to thank you for coming along with me on my photographic journeys, regardless how ridiculous they might get sometime. And I will see you next time.